Hi everyone, my name is John B, and I'm a senior in apparel design at the University of Minnesota. My collection is called Raftar, which is Hindi for speed. I think my collection is a good step towards the future of fashion because most of my designs have some sort of adjustable aspect to them, so you can adjust them to either your height or modesty preferences. And also, with the pandemic going on, comfort is going to be everyone's priority. So I really wanted to provide clothes to everyone that let people express themselves while still being comfortable, be it through fabrics or a looser fit.
My collection is Athleisure 2021. The collection is a mix of activewear and streetwear. It's also designed to fit like the wearer's need, ever-changing like needs during the current pandemic.
Hi, my name is Noah Guerin. My senior line is called Nishama. It is a wearable tech evening gown line. So each look has a medical and aesthetic wearable tech component, whether that be lights or safety or a heart rate monitor. Each line contains electronics that are hidden, so the wearer can't see it from the inside and anyone else can't see it from the outside.
I think that Breaking Silence represents how the fashion industry is making an effort to be a lot more transparent and about things such as production of clothing and sourcing. And it makes me happy that our class is going to be able to take part in that and hopefully make a positive change in that direction.
I think Breaking Silence, to me, as a student, I've learned so much about what goes on behind the scenes, and I really never expected to learn how much goes into just producing like a t-shirt, and all of the work and the people and the time and the materials that really go into it. And so it kind of, the thing that we're breaking down is really the walls of showing people all of the problems as well as all of the like success that goes into everyday clothing, because we all have to wear it.
But as a designer, Breaking Silence meant that I wanted to make clothes that helps the wearers feel comfortable and feel happy in a way that they can like the pandemic won't affect in any way the way that they live their lifestyle.
So due to the pandemic, things slowed down a lot, obviously, and I think it gave me some time to develop my design style a lot more. I felt like I had to design for a whole new reality now, and I think the perspective actually really helped me find my new signature as a designer.
Very key point where the industry isn't going to go back to normal from the pandemic. How everything's sort of changed in the way that people are purchasing less, the people are making less, and it really provides a time for us to address the issues in order to create a systematic change. And so we're at this point where new designers coming out of college like us, can really look at the industry, look at what we've learned, and look at the problems of what's happened before us, and kind of use this as a turning point to create something new.
I was just really looking forward to having a final senior fashion show like seniors have in the past years. And it's just really unfortunate that that's not going to be possible anymore with the pandemic. It's been a rough year for everyone. And I'm just really glad that we were still able to make our collections as a class. And I think that having a budget to present our collections in a unique way would be super valuable to us as a class.
Being able to change the fashion show into like a photo shoot theme, I think that it's very interesting and excited, and it's a new thing for I think that it will help us as designer be ready for like the world out there more.
We are going to be the future of the fashion industry, in the sense that we are going to be the people working in it. And so I think by supporting us and supporting our program, it gives people a little bit more of an impact on where the industry is going to go and where clothing is going to go.